I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials so the mirror can work reliably. Make sure your iPhone and LG TV are on the same Wi-Fi network because AirPlay discovers devices via the local network. Once done, check for and install any iOS and TV firmware updates to avoid compatibility glitches. Then open your LG TV settings and enable AirPlay and HomeKit. This registers the TV as a target. Doing these steps first prevents connection failures later and speeds up the mirroring process. Now you perform the handoff from phone to TV. Swipe Open Control Center, top right on Face ID devices, and tap Screen Mirroring. This lists nearby AirPlay targets because your TV announced itself on the network. Select your LG TV name. The phone sends a handshake to start streaming. If the TV displays a 4-digit AirPlay code, type it on the iPhone to confirm the secure connection. Once connected, the iPhone screen appears on the TV, and you can play video, photos, or mirror apps in real time. Finish by checking playback and closing the session correctly. To stop, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring so the TV returns to its input. This avoids leaving a persistent stream. For lag or stutter, make sure both devices are near the router or switch to 5 GHz for lower interference and better throughput, because Wi-Fi quality affects video smoothness. If the TV does not appear, restart the iPhone, TV, and router. Then re-enable AirPlay. This clears discovery and network state issues in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.